Electric cars aren't completely silent. You might wonder why soundproofing is necessary when electric cars don't have an engine. But the truth is, all cars experience vibrations and outside noise, like wind, traffic, and tire sounds. That's why soundproofing is important. Whether it's an electric car or a regular one, soundproofing helps reduce unwanted noise. Let's take a look at the soundproofing process for the BYD Seal electric car. Let's check out how we handle soundproofing in our shop. The first thing you need to know is that before any soundproofing work, we explain everything to our customers. We'll walk you through the materials and the difference you can expect before and after the installation. This helps our customers choose the best materials that fit their needs and budget. After that, we do a noise test to check the noise levels inside the car. This test is really important to see the difference before and after the soundproofing is done. We use a special app designed for this process. Once the noise test is complete, we inspect the car to make sure everything is in good condition before we start the installation. This step is essential to catch any problems before moving on. First, we start by installing soundproofing in the doors. For this car, we use 2 layers of materials, a vibration damper and a noise insulator. The first layer is Dr. Artex Gold HD, and the second layer is SIM A4 Plus noise insulator from AutoFun. These materials help reduce vibrations and outside noises from getting into the cabin. Next, we install soundproofing on the front floor. The floor is a major source of vibration noise during driving. The noise from the tires and uneven roads will get into the cabin unless we add a soundproofing layer. For this car, we use 2 layers of vibration damper and 1 layer of noise insulator. We use Dr. Artex Gold HD for the vibration damper and SIM A4 noise insulator. Here you can see the results comparing before and after the soundproof installation. Vibration noise reduction is achieved in areas treated with the vibration damper, ranging from 81.9% to 94.9%. Meanwhile, outside noise is reduced by more than 50%. This is considered a noticeable change after soundproofing your car. Are you interested in installing soundproofing for your car? Whether it's an EV or a regular car, you can get our services at our shop. Visit Premio Malaysia for more info.